In the present video, we will discuss the how to determine the total float and free float for the given network diagram. Let's see the problem. So here, given the various activities along with the preceding activities, then we have to draw the activity network of the project and also have to find the total float and free float for the each activity. So first we have to draw the activity network of the project. So first we have to observe the activities 1 to 2 and the 1 to 3. These activities are there is no preceding activities. So these are the starting activities. And one more thing here, event 1 is the common for the activities 1 to 2 and 1 to 3. So first we have to draw the activities 1 to 2 and 1 to 3 like this. So these are the activities 1 to 2 and the 1 to 3. So next we have to draw the activity 2 to 3. So for the activity 2 to 3, activity 1 to 2 is the preceding activity. So after completion of the activity 1 to 2, activity 2 to 3 will be start. So we have to draw the activity 2 to 3 like this. Because here event 3 is the common event for the activities 1 to 3 and 2 to 3. So next we have to look for the activity 2 to 4. So activity 2 to 4 it will be start after completion of the 1 to 2. So we have to draw the activity 2 to 4 like this. So next we have to draw the activity 3 to 4. Activity 3 to 4. So preceding activities are the 1 to 3 and 2 to 3. So after completion of the 1 to 3 and 2 to 3, activity 3 to 4 it will be start. And moreover I have to observe here, already we represented the events 3 to 4. So we have to just mark an arrow for the activity event 3 to 4 like this. So this is the activity 3 to 4. So next is the activity 4 to 5. So for the activity 4 to 5, preceding activities are the 2 to 4 and 3 to 4. So after completion of the activities 2 to 4 and 3 to 4, immediately activity 4 to 5 it will be start. So we have to draw the activity 4 to 5 should be like this. So next we have to represent the time duration of the each activity on arrow mark. So should be like this. So here time duration for the 1 to 2 is the 20 and time duration for the 1 to 3 is the 25 and time duration for the 2 to 3 is the 10 and next time duration for the 2 to 4 is the 12, 3 to 4 is the 5 and 4 to 5 is the 10. So this is the network diagram of the given project. Next we have to find the total float and free float for the each activity. Total float refers to the amount of time by which the completion of an activity could be delayed behind the earliest expected completion time without affecting the overall project duration time. So total float TF equal to the latest start time minus earliest start time. Similarly, free float is the time by which the completion of an activity can be delayed behind the earliest finish time without affecting the earliest start time of a subsequent succeeding activity. So free float equal to the earliest finish time minus earliest start time minus time duration of the activity. So total float equal to the LS of ij minus ES of ij and free float equal to the FFij equal to the EJ minus EI minus of TIJ. So here Tij is the time duration of the activity. Before determination of the total float and the free float, first we have to determine the earliest start time and earliest finish time by the forward pass method. Similarly, we have to determine the latest start time and latest finish time by the backward pass method. So first we have to look for the determination of the earliest start time and earliest finish time by the forward pass method. In the forward pass method, always have to start with the starting activities. Here starting activities are the 1 to 2 and the 1 to 3. So first we will be start with the activity 1 to 2. In the activity 1 to 2, event 1 is the starting event. So its earliest start time is the 0 and the time duration is the 20. So at the event 2 is the earliest finish time, which is equal to the 0 plus 20, which is equal to the 20. So earliest finish time for the activity 1 to 2 is the 20 at the event 2. So next we have to look for the activity 1 to 3. For the activity 1 to 3, event 1 is the starting event. So its earliest start time is the 0 and finish time is the at event 3, which is equal to the 0 plus time duration of the activity 25. So 0 plus 25, which is equal to the 25. So here observe the event 3 is the merge event for the activities 1 to 3 and 2 to 3. So in the forward pass method, we have to consider the earliest finish time at the merge event, which is equal to the maximum earliest finish time of the activities. So here, so 3 is the merge event for the activities 1 to 2 and 2 to 3. So earliest finish time is the maximum earliest finish time of the activities 1 to 2 and 2 to 3. So for the 1 to 3, earliest finish time is the 25. So next we have to look for the activity 2 to 3. So for the activity 2 to 3, earliest start time is the 20 at the event 2. Then finish time will become the 20 plus 10, which is equal to the 30. So here event 3 is the merge event for the activities 1 to 2 and 2 to 3. So finish time is the maximum earliest time of the activities 1 to 2 and 2 to 3. That is the among the 30 and 25, maximum time is the 30. So earliest finish time at the event 3 is the 30. So next we have to look for the activity 2 to 4. So here also same thing. Event 4 is the merge event for the activities 2 to 4 and similarly 3 to 4. So earliest finish time at event 4 is the maximum earliest finish time of the activities 2 to 4 and the 3 to 4. So next we have to look for the activity 2 to 4. For the activity 2 to 4, start time is the 20 at the event 2 and finish time will become the 20 plus 12, which is equal to the 32. So next we have to look for the activity 3 to 4. For the activity 3 to 4, earliest start time is the 30 at the event 3. Then finish time will become the 30 plus 5, which is equal to the 35 at the event 4. So here event 4 is the merge event for the activities 2 to 4 and 3 to 4. Here we have to consider the earliest finish time is the maximum amount of the 32 and 35. So here maximum time is the 35. So earliest finish time at the event 4 is the 35. So next we have to look for the activity 4 to 5. For the activity 4 to 5, earliest start time is the 35 and finish time is the 35 plus 10, which is equal to the 45. Next we determine the latest finish time and latest start time by the backward pass method. In the backward pass method, we start at the end event. Here end event is the event 5 and its latest finish time which is equal to the earliest finish time, that is the 45. So latest finish time at event 5 is the 45. So next we have to look for the activity 4 to 5. So for the activity 4 to 5, latest finish time is the 45 at the event 5. Then latest start time will become the 45 minus 10, which is equal to the 35 at the event 4. So next we will move to the activity 3 to 4. For the activity 3 to 4, latest finish time is the 35 at the event 4. Then latest start time will become the 35 minus 5, which is equal to the 30 at the event 3. So next we will be moved to the activity 2 to 4. So here observe the event 2 is the burst event for the activities 2 to 4 and the 2 to 3. So in the backward pass method, latest start time is the at burst event is minimum time of the activities. So latest start time at event 2 is the minimum amount of the latest start time of the activities 2 to 4 and the activities 2 to 3. So first we have to look for the activity 2 to 4. For the activity 2 to 4, finish time is the 35 at the event 4. Then start time will become the 35 minus 12, which is equal to the 23. Similarly, next we have to look for the activity 2 to 3. For the activity 2 to 3, finish time is the 30. Start time will become the 30 minus 10, which is equal to the 20. So among the 20 and 23, minimum is the 20. Then latest finish time at the event 2 is the 20. So next we have to look for the activity 1 to 2. Here also observe event 1 is the burst event for the activities 1 to 2 and the 1 to 3. So first we have to look for the activity 1 to 2. For the activity 1 to 2, latest finish time is the 20 and start time will become the 20 minus 20, it is the 0. Similarly, we have to look for the activity 1 to 3. For the activity 1 to 3, finish time is the 30. Then latest start time will become the 30 minus 25, which is equal to the 5. So in the backward pass method, latest start time is the minimum amount we have to consider. So among the 0 and 5, minimum is the 0. So latest start time at the event 1 is the 0. Next we will calculate the earliest start time and earliest finish time and also calculate the latest start time and latest finish time. For this one, first we have to draw a tabular column. In the tabular column, first column is the activities and next column is the time duration of the each activity, that is the Tij. Next column is the earliest start time, that is the Ei, and next column is the earliest finish time, Ef, equal to the Es, earliest start time, plus Tij, time duration of the activity, and next one is the latest start time. Latest start time is the latest finish time minus time duration of the each activity, and last column is the latest finish time, Lj. So here Ei represents the earliest start time and Lj represents the latest finish time. So first we have to calculate the earliest start time for the each activity. First we have to look for the activity 1 to 2. For the activity 1 to 2, earliest start time is the 0. And next for the activity 1 to 3. For the activity 1 to 3, earliest start time is the 0. Next for the activity 2 to 3. For activity 2 to 3, earliest start time is the 20. Next for the activity 2 to 4. For the activity 2 to 4, earliest start time is the 20. Next for the activity 3 to 4. For activity 3 to 4, earliest start time is the 30. And next one is the last activity, activity 4 to 5. For the activity 4 to 5, earliest start time is the 35. So next we have to determine the earliest finish time for the each activity. So earliest finish time is the earliest start time plus time duration of the activity. So we know the earliest start time and also we know the time duration of the each activity. Then earliest finish time for the activity 1 to 2 is the earliest start time 0 and time duration is the 20. So 0 plus 20 which is equal to the 20. Similarly for the activity 1 to 3, earliest finish time is the 25 plus 0, that is the 25. Next for the activity 2 to 3, earliest finish time will become the 10 plus 20, 30. Next for the activity 2 to 4, 12 plus 20, that is the 32. Next for the activity 3 to 4, earliest finish time is the 5 plus 30 which is equal to the 35. So next activity for the 4 to 5, for the activity 4 to 5, earliest finish time will become the 10 plus 35 which is equal to the 45. So next we have to calculate the latest finish time. So next we have to calculate the latest finish time for the first activity 1 to 2. For the activity 1 to 2, latest finish time is the 20. Next for the activity 1 to 3. For the activity 1 to 3, latest finish time is the 30. Next for the activity 2 to 3. For the activity 2 to 3, so latest finish time is the 30. Next for the activity 2 to 4. For the activity 2 to 4, latest finish time is the 35. Next is the activity 3 to 4. For the activity 3 to 4, so latest finish time is the 35. So next for the activity 4 to 5. For the activity 4 to 5, latest finish time is the 45. Next we have to determine the latest start time. Latest start time is the latest finish time minus time duration. First we have to look for the activity 1 to 2. So for the activity 1 to 2, latest finish time is the 20 and time duration is the 20. Then 20 minus 20 which is equal to the 0. So next for the activity, so 1 to 3, 30 minus 25 which is equal to the 5. Next for the 2 to 3, so for the 2 to 3, 30 minus 10 which is equal to the 20. So next for the activity 2 to 4, so latest finish time is 35 and time duration is the 12. So 35 minus 12 which is equal to the 23. And next one is the activity 3 to 4. For the activity 3 to 4, latest finish time is the 35. Then start time will become the 35 minus 5 which is equal to the 30. And last activity 4 to 5. For the 4 to 5, latest finish time is the 45. And start time will become the 45 minus 10 which is equal to the 35. Next we have to calculate the total float. So total float is the latest start time minus earliest start time. So for this one I have to observe the above the tabular column. So for this one, so first I have to look for the activity 1 to 2. So for the activity 1 to 2, so latest start time is the 0 and earliest start time is the 0. Then 0 minus 0 which is equal to the 0. So next for the activity 1 to 3. So it is the latest start time 5 minus earliest start time 0. 5 minus 0, 0. So next for the
activity 223. So 20 minus 20, which is equal to the 0. Next one is the activity 224, 23 minus 20, which is equal to 3. Next to 324, so 30 minus 30, which is equal to the 0. Next one is the 35 minus 35, which is equal to the 0. So next we have to calculate the free float. So before determination of the free float, we have to identify the EI and EJ values for the each activities, which mean earliest start time and earliest finish time for the each activity. For this, first we have to look for the activity 122. For the activity 122, so EI start time is the 0 and earliest finish time is the 20. So EI value is the 0 and EJ value is the 20. So next we have to look for the activity 123. So for activity 123, so start time is the 0 and finish time is the 30, and GI value is the 0 and EJ value is the 30. Next for the activity 223. So for the activity 223, so EI value is the 20 and EJ value is the 30. So next for the activity 224, for the 224 start time, earliest start time, EI value is the 20 and earliest finish time, EJ value is the 35. So 20 and 35. And next for the activity 324, for the activity 324, so earliest start time, EI is the 30 and earliest finish time, EJ value is the 35. So next we have to look for the activity 4 to 5. For the activity 4 to 5, so earliest start time is the 35. So EI is the 35 and earliest finish time is the EJ value is the 45, 35 and 45. So next we have to determine the free float. So free float is the EI minus EJ minus TIJ. So TIJ is the time duration. So first I have to look for the first activity. So 20 minus 0 minus 20, which is equal to the 0. So next we have to look for the activity 123. So for the activity 123, 30 minus 25 minus 0, which is equal to the 5. And next one is the activity 223. For activity 223, so which is equal to the 30 minus 20 and minus 10, which is equal to the 0. Next activity 224. For activity 224, so free float will become the 35 minus 20 minus 12, which is equal to the 3. So next for the activity 324, for the activity 324, free float will become the 35 minus 30 and minus 5, which is equal to the 0. And next one is the activity 4 to 5. For activity 4 to 5, free float will become the EJ 45 minus EI 35 minus time duration is the 10. 45 minus 35 minus 10, which is equal to the 0. So this is the calculation of the total float and the free float, and thank you.